Hello. I am Nicole, see you again. Part 2, we will focus on the ERP's basic operation, which are Tailor Software Technology TST. So now we start on product record now. Tailor Software Technology, TST. First of all, before we will start the TST, we have to set us to be administrator, so we point on the interface, press F6 and switch on. Now, firstly, we start on how to change the label caption. We point on the label and press F6, type in the new name, and save it. The caption will be changed. Second, how to change the input box to have menu function. Now we click Edit button, and then click on the input box, press F6, click the menu, and save it. See the menu bar. You can click the menu to select record, and you can click the 3 dots button to add or edit the information. Thirdly, how to change the input box to his date function. Now we click on the input box, press F6, click the date checkbox, and save it. See the calendar menu and then select. Fourth, we can add formula into components. For example, we click on the input box, press F6, press show button to start. You also can press D button to refer different commands. We right-click mouse button on the memo box, and select the formula format for starting. And then now, we point to the input box again and press F6, you see the component name will be recorded. We click on the equal after, and then point to another input box, press F6, and then press plus, and then point to another one, press F6. You see the formula is completed. Save it. You see, the input box color has been changed. So now, we click on the input box and type a number, same as another. Lastly, click on the color input box, press enter. OK, you see the formula works well. Fifth, change component position. Firstly, you must know all components are on the panel, so we need to click on the panel for 3 seconds, and then all component can be moved now. Now we try to move the input box to your desired position, and then the label as well. When the positions of components are ready, press on the panel again for 3 seconds, all components' positions will be saved. Sixth, add components onto the panel. OK, let's point to the desired position, and then press F7. There are several components you can select. Label, button and edit are common. Now we select button, and then type in sample. There are 2 methods for button to link up. We select single database, and there are 30 databases for reserve. We select one and save. Now you can see that a sample button has been created. Click on the button, you can see a new database. You can use TST to change it. Now you see a new sample record created. Now we create a blank form button. We point on the panel and press F7, select button, type lorry, press form, 20 forms for reserve. We select one, and save. Now you can see a lorry button. We click on it, a blank form pop up. In here you can add different components to create your own module. You see. 7th, we will focus on the table to change the column ordering, name and width. So now we click on the table cell, and then press F6, press the button. A window will pop up. In this window, you can select different fields at the left box to assemble the table column at the right box by selecting the field, and then click the Go button. Or you can call the current table columns to the right box by clicking the Table Column button. You can select the product ID, and press Up button to make the column higher. Now we change the name product ID to be style number. Click on the display button, type style number. And then click the width button to adjust it to 100, and then quit. So now you can see the table columns have been changed. Okay. This is all of the part 2 TST. Next part, we will focus on the table searching and printout format. See you, bye bye.